Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create carb text in Adobe Express. So let's started. At first, open your Adobe Express. In this video, I will show create carb text. Now going to the plus icon option, then click. Now select from square from page. Now you can see, then new interface. Now click for text option. Now select from add your text. Now type your text. Now this text is carved. Now going to the text layout option, then click for arch text from half circle. That it's. Now resize your text. Now you can see create circle text in Adobe Express is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.